Hello, good morning. I just won something for the first time in my entire life. Okay, so I had randomly entered to win this raffle on the Adidas app for some Yeezys. What else is new? I only have one pair and they don't even fit me, and those were hard enough to track down in my size. So I don't know, like, I just don't get the hype over waiting in a long line for some shoes on release day and like scouting out on the computer. Like, I'm just not that person. If I get it, I get it. That's cool. And that's what happened. I mean, I still paid for the shoe, but I didn't have to go through the hassle of like waiting in a line or anything like that. And the shoe just dropped today and it says, congratulations, bitch, you won. So they're shipping out my new Yeezys, my Boost 350s, the V2s. I have to show you without showing you too much information. Where's the thing? That's so crazy. Like, what are the freaking odds? Like, am I a sneakerhead now? These babies, I entered and I won them. Whoop whoop. So excited. I got them in a 7.5. My current pair is a 7, which is a little too tight. But I just like the fit of them is just weird in general. So I'm hoping that they fit, but we are off to a fantastic vlogmas. It is 8:30 in the morning. I've got my coffee ready to go. I'm gonna clean up a little bit. I know I have laundry that I did not fold up, so I'm gonna warm that up a little bit so they're nice and not wrinkled when I fold them. Make up my bed, get my day in order, do some planning. I'll go to the gym. I already have my gym clothes on. That's the first thing I do when I wake up. I'm excited. It's gonna be a good freaking day, you guys. I can't believe I won those freaking shoes in the raffle. My first ever raffle. Oh my god, I think the trick is to just enter something and then forget about it so you don't overthink about it, and then it manifests into your life. I'm pretty sure that's what happened with me and those freaking shoes. But in other words, on Instagram, Drake, bae, he's been just blowing up my feed with hot fire photos that I didn't know I was ready for. I don't know what it is about Drake, but he's just so fine. Like, just give me a man like that. Give me a Canadian man that looks like him. That's all I'm asking for, you know? We're gonna have a productive day. I feel it. I even woke up and I brushed my hair. Like, I usually just walk around looking busted like a beat up big toe. But today I was like, you know what? Let me put some hair mousse in it. Let me look like I actually do something with myself before I go to the gym. I always look crazy in there. I'm trying to decide if I should add more creamer to it or not. Probably shouldn't because it's a lot of sugar. Alright, if you guys drink your coffee black, how the heck did you do it? Because in a perfect world, I would only have black coffee. Because I don't really need a lot of the sweetness and stuff. I don't know, but it's just, it's a different taste, that's for sure. Different taste. Talk about a real morning routine. This is what I do every freaking day without the music in the background. I want to be in the gym by like 9:30. That's in an hour from now. Wash your water bottles, guys. These things can get gross, especially if you're using it constantly every day. I usually will put some hot water in the microwave, get it really steamy, and then add a little bit of soap. Put the hot water in here, put the top on, shake it up, and let it sit for 10 minutes just to kill some of that bacteria. Because you don't really think about it. You use it every day, right? Like, it gets gross. So do that. Leroy, we have to turn on the tree. I don't know why it makes the biggest difference, but you're gonna have to get up, boo, so I can make up the bed. Do you want to go outside? He's only looking like that because I yelled at him this morning for eating something off the sidewalk that was sus. Leroy, you are not allowed to eat things that don't come from me. What if it was poisoned? Probably wasn't, but still. It's too cold out there for you, bruh. Also, I'm really loving the short gel nails. They're growing on me. I didn't like them at first because when I first got them, like a gel manicure, my nails were so freaking short because they kept breaking off with the acrylics, but now they're at like a normal length where it doesn't look like I have stubs for nails. Okay, this one kind of, because it split and I had to file around it, but I'm not mad, you guys. Also, really loving the red for the holiday season. I think I'm gonna keep this color for when I go home for the holidays. I was thinking about changing it, but I really like it. I think it's so cute. So just wanted to kind of update you guys on that. I think I'm over the acrylic. Who was blowing me up? I think I'm over the acrylics until, I was gonna say the new year, but that's in like 2 weeks. But I mean, like, I don't know. I don't know. So freaking weird, you guys. I had put this little flag on today. I know I'm a little bit behind on my vlogs, but don't judge me. Don't come for me too hard. And it's so funny because I was gonna wake up early to try to buy these shoes, and that was way before I entered into that raffle. And today, guess what? We found out we won. But I guess that is how the universe works. That was just me manifesting it because I had written it down, Yeezy drop, and I never write things like that down in my planner. I just saw the shoes on Instagram. I fell in love with them. So I was like, girl, if we remember, we will try to get up and wait online, but we didn't have to do that today. So I'm just doing a little bit of planning here. I have actually some prep to do because I'm leaving town, oh my god, in 2 days from today. Well, 3 days if you count today. So I've got some work to kind of catch up on so I'm not behind with the vlogmas. I've been so consistent with the uploads, you guys, and I'm really happy that I didn't fail like last year's vlogmas. So let's keep that going. I'm going to edit some Spotify playlists. It's been a minute since I've deleted some songs. You know, you get over tracks. So I gotta kind of rearrange some things. It is a Friday, so lots of new music usually comes out, so I'll go through and listen to the latest drops. And I have so many playlists, you see, like literally so many of them. Well, some of these at the bottom aren't mine, but the ones that are mine, I like to update all of them, especially if you guys follow them. Keep in mind, I have a lot of playlists on my Spotify, which I know nobody cares about, that are not public, but I still like to update them for my own use and stuff like that. So that's a part of my day today, is just refreshing the vibe. Music is a big part of my life, and it influences a lot of how I feel and all of that good stuff. So I told you guys I wanted to be at the gym by 9:30, and it's rolling on 9 o'clock right now. I don't know how that's gonna go, but I still have my coffee to get through as well, and I have this book that I want to start, but I might save it for my trip home. But am I really gonna be sitting around reading a book? Alright guys, I'm finally having my pre-workout. You guys know from recent vlogmas, my new combination is doing a 2-for-1. So I do a scoop of my pre-workout with a little bit of collagen peptides. I feel like this is why my skin has been looking so great. That's really the only thing that I've been doing differently aside from taking my multivitamins. As you can tell, pretty crazy about it. I'm gonna link this little container down below. If you're like me and you do take a lot of supplements, you're not just doing one multivitamin, this is just great to have everything already ready to go. That way you don't have to stress about opening up 10 different vitamin containers. So yeah, really excited about my supplements. Definitely the biggest thing I'm doing right now for the overall health of my skin and everything like that. Gonna pop this pre-workout, about to get it in the gym. Sorry for the angle, it's not nice.
Hey dolls! Merry Christmas! Happy New Year!
Oh girl, you're a little bit ahead of it. Are you ready for your bath? We gonna take a bath today, bro. We've been putting it off, yes. Yes, you are going to be so fresh and so clean when we're done. You ready for your bath? Oh my gosh, guys, check this out. I just got this custom made case from Casetify. It came in this beautiful box, you guys. Very nice quality. I'm obsessed with their cases, have been ever since I bought my iPhone XS Max. Okay, I don't have that new, but this is working for me. So I decided to get a new case for it just to kind of make it look a little bit different for the new year. They actually customized this one for me, so I got this nice slim case, you guys. It's one of my favorites. I have several here in my collection. If you guys remember a while back when I just got this phone, I did a drop test with their iPhone cases. So I really put it to the test. I dropped it from like 6 feet high and it protected my phone perfectly. I like that you can customize the cases. You can pick up already designed cases. You can get even more thick cases if you really want to protect it, but the lip around the face of the phone really does protect it if you happen to drop it face up or face down, ass up, you know what I mean? So they just put my name on the back of it. You can get different colorways as well. I turned my mom into Casetify. Literally cases for everybody, and it's basically my go-to. So I just wanted to give a good mention in Vlogmas today.